Palate cleanser now. We've already had a few more beers, but Wolf of the Willows, Inner Vision, double dry hopped, hazy IPA, 6.6% alcohol. Wolf of the Willows does some good stuff. So on the nose, it says they've used Enigma. Fuck, I can't read these things. Enigma and Amarillo. Smells a bit lemony, rather than the stone fruit we just had. In the mouth. Again, this sort of drives home the point that it really depends on where your beer sits in the comp. After that last one, this one really tastes lemony, but it should taste very tropical. Lemon zestiness, a little bit of grassiness, there's a slight tartness, good firm bitterness, there's a little bit of hop burn in there, nice creamy mouthfeel. It says it uses triticale, wheat and shitloads of oats in there. I read that before. Good, clean, crisp. Considering it's a hazy IPA, the bitterness is way up there. But it's a very good beer. I don't mind Wolf of the Willows. Then that'll rush out. There's a slight bit of hop degradation in there, but otherwise it's not a bad palate cleanser.